Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my SCT sampler. This is a total complete surprise. I have no spoilers whatsoever. I'm completely unaware of anything that's going on in this kit, so that is exciting. I love the hello, beautiful. That is fantastic. So we have Doodlebug. Oh, and Maggie Holmes. Hooray. Now, I love Doodlebug as well. It's super cute. I'm surprised and excited to see Maggie Holmes in here. We've been receiving Doodlebug before, but not a lot of Maggie Holmes in the past, recently at least. So that is very exciting. So this is the die that we have this month. Hello. It's a shadowed die. It's very chunky. I think I would have preferred the hello potentially to be a little bit thinner with the outline more like shadowed or whatever, but we'll give that a try and we'll see. I'm really happy for that word itself, and I really do like getting these dies in our little sampler. This is a subscription. I'm in Canada here, and I'm trying to remember, I think it's about $17 a month in total. May all your weeds be wildflowers. Wishing you a beautiful day. So that's a nice sentiment. You could have hello, wishing you a beautiful day as a card idea there. So let's see look at this whole pile of ephemera. So it'll be easy to be able to tell the difference between these two collections because they are very different feels for sure. So we've got some black and gold, a little map. Ooh, I like those fun pieces. I always get a lot of use out of enamel dots. So this will be the Doodlebug part of things. A little camera, binoculars, a nice little vellum piece. Ooh, suitcase. I love these stamps. That's what I was oohing about. Gorgeous. Yay. Tags. And actually quite a few tags. That's great. So this is one piece. I'm not sure which collection it belongs to because this looks like it could go either way. Black with white polka dots. I'm guessing maybe Doodlebug? Probably, I would guess. I'm really happy for the number of die cuts that we've got. That's one thing that I really love working with all the different pieces of ephemera. So I find it, especially flowers, I find it really easy to layer up and create sort of interesting effects when we have such beautiful pieces of die cut. Little toothbrush with toothpaste. You're so cool. So we've got some stickers here. That's lovely. Okay, and then let's take a look at the two different papers. So we have a plain white piece of paper. Oh, they're not double-sided this time. That's different. I wonder if this comes then from like one of the 12 by 12 paper pads. Like this is really nice textured, but so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you take this away and not have double-sided, not a lot to work with here. So we'll see. I mean, if you're just making cards and stuff, but I was kind of thinking about making a mini album. We've got much more papers from the Doodlebug collection. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, gorgeous. Look at those. So there's something that we could use if we wanted to sort of combine colors. It's a pink match. That's the same kind of pink. Yeah, it could work. Could work. So we could potentially use those colors together. But gorgeous anyways. I'm really happy with this kit. This is a super fantastic kit. I can't believe how much it comes with. Like, so much ephemera, the stamps, the die. Really such a good value. Very happy with this week's, this month of July, this month's kit. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned to see what I create with all of these goodies. Take care. See you again next time.